Hey guys, welcome to A Better Mess. I'm going to walk you guys through our daily planner within our digital life planner. So this is actually a daily and a weekly planner. For the daily planner, you are going to click a new row there, and I usually title it the current date, or you can title it daily planner and you can assign the date in that date field. And then once you select daily planner, it will auto-populate this schedule that shows you an hour by hour schedule. It has goals on the side for the day, habits on the day, and a to-do list that you can add as well. And then we also included a reflection there at the bottom. And so the rest of this video, we're just going to continue to walk you guys through the different features within Notion and within our digital life planner. Okay, so now we're going to jump to the weekly view. And so here you would select a new row again. And I recommend putting like week of, etc., or you can select the weekly planner option and keep it as weekly planner and assign the date as shown there. And so here what auto-populates is a weekly schedule, Monday through Sunday. It has the goals, a to-do list, and a reflection as well, similar to the daily planner. So I really like this planner because you have options to use a daily planner, a weekly planner, or both. And then we also have a calendar view within this planner as well that allows you to see what you have planned for the day or for the week. So the rest of this video will just continue to walk you guys through the different features in Notion and within our digital life planner.